Alright, so for the Camaro, you know, I was bringing this back to life. But I'm actually put a hold on bringing this back to life because I got this Trans Am, 2000 Trans Am. Got the stock LS motor in it right now. I'm actually gonna put that 6.0. I'm actually gonna put that 6.0 motor in there with the procharger, all the suspension mods, and yada yada yada. But this is what color I'm thinking about painting the Trans Am. It's the ZGA hypershift from not 100% sure if I'm gonna do this color or not yet. I'm just trying to get a few ideas on what color I'm gonna actually do. It shifts from blue to green. So yeah, so Trans Am don't have a front bumper on it because the front bumper was cracked. Nobody would sell me a front bumper, so I said forget it, I'll just repair it myself. So I got some fiberglass at the other side. Then I got some fiberglass glass, which is what this is. Just plop that on there. So now it's drying up. I'm about to sand that down, shape it up, and then throw some Bondo over the top of it. Sand that down, make sure everything is nice and even. Then I'm gonna wet sand it down. Then I'm gonna primer it. Yeah, then I'm gonna primer it. And I'm gonna just leave it primered until I figure out what color I'm gonna actually paint this Trans Am. For the most part, the Trans Am is in pretty good condition. Need to get the tint redone. It's really, really, really dirty because this is where I was sanding at and I didn't have it blocked off. But yeah, this thing is pretty nice. Once again, I'm gonna throw that 6.0 block in here.